I have the best job in this entire room, and that job is that I get to be the heat guy for all of NextGen, right? So I'm here to just sort of fire you up. And I have a really simple message for you along those lines. And it goes something like this. The first thing that I have to say is that you all matter. Okay? You matter tremendously. And I think that we live in kind of cynical times. We live in times when there are thousands of words spilled about government, but the two that you don't often hear in sequence are these. Thank you. Right? The stuff that you do matters. You all fought really hard to be here, right? More than in any other year, with sort of sequestration, with austerity. Every single person in this room fought to be here. You fought to be in the room, and you fought to be here in your career. So for that, never forget that you really do matter. Because of that, I kind of have a charge for you. You also matter because the stakes are really high. Again, we live in very cynical times. Things are difficult. It is a difficult time to be in public service, and I have to be honest with you. Things are going to get harder. Okay? The problems of the future have not even been imagined yet. But I can sort of guarantee you this. Those problems will likely be harder, faster, and more complex than the problems of today. Right? Public service will matter more, not less, going forward. The only way we're able to meet those problems is through your collective brilliance. You matter. Because you matter, we've built you this. Okay, NextGen is much, much more than a conference. For the next 2 days, this will be the headquarters of the insurgent resistance for the future, right? NextGen is a safe haven. NextGen is a sanctuary for you to imagine new ideas, build new skills, and forge new alliances that will help you in your day-to-day quest to improve the lives of the American people, right? NextGen, not just a conference, but really the leading edge of passion, perseverance, and public service in the 21st century. Because you matter, we have built you this. Okay? And because you matter, I have high hopes for you for these 2 days, right? I hope that you learn. I hope that you come here and be present with us and grow. And be mindful of the things that we share in common and the advantage and opportunity that we have that hundreds of people that tried to get here don't have today. Right? We owe it to ourselves and to the people we serve in this country to come here and really give it everything we have. Be mindful of what you share in common. This is not a room of strangers. This is a room of allies you haven't met yet. And I want you to really view it that way. Okay? More than anything else, I hope you are inspired by what happens over the next 2 days. Allow yourself to be inspired by the stories that you hear. Allow yourself to be inspired by the faculty that we have brought you in this sort of public service Hogwarts. Okay? And more than anything else, be inspired by one another. We all share things in common, and we are all here in a spirit of service. So with that, I'd like to thank you for your service, and it is my great pleasure to welcome you to the next generation of Government Summit. Thank you. Woo!